The Basecamp Hob comes with 3 gas burners. To use a gas burner, select the relevant knob, push it in, turn it round to the large flame and press and hold. Once you see it light, keep holding the knob in for a few seconds more to let the thermocouple heat up. Then release and adjust the temperature to your needs. The oven and grill both operate in the same way. Simply push in the appropriate grill or oven knob, turn towards the large flame and press and hold the igniter until lit. Hold the knob in for a few seconds and then you can release. Whilst operating the grill, you need to keep the grill door open.